Magandang hapon po ng July 15, 2025 Tuesday at ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng July 15, 2025 Tuesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na mabasan para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng Tuesday, July 15, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. 'See you again later' for 9 PM draw result of Ultra Lotto 658, Super Lotto 649, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for Tuesday, July 15, 2025. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Ultra Lotto 658, Super Lotto 649, and Lotto 642 for Tuesday, July 15, 2025. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for July 15, 2025, Tuesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.